You are now watching Between Villains.
Yo, what is going on, y'all? Welcome back to Between Villains. Of course, it's the host with the most flea. And I got a special video today. We actually gonna do an unboxing right here on the channel, man. Shout out to my boy Leel, a fellow East Harlem native. And he's super into sneakers. He's like this really big sneakerhead. He reminds me of me when I was a little bit younger and shit like that, back in high school and all that. So, I got a lot of love for Leel. Leel actually has his own brand called LEEL'S Way, and he gifted us some merch. So I wanted to just unbox that on camera, because that's the broski, and the merch is actually really fire. I really don't like accepting some people's merch because I don't really like everybody's merch, but Lil definitely cooked. He has some of the best shorts out right now, and if you don't have a pair, go get yourself a pair because I got mine. Obviously, I'm throwing a fit on soon. Duh. First off, Lil, you cooked with this fucking packaging. Look at that. He threw the name on there. Look. But packaging is insane. Got the box with his logo on it. I gotta actually tap in with him and see how we could get this done for the villain. This is hard. This shit is tough, right? But boom, threw my name on it, of course. Made me feel special, like I'm somebody. And yeah, man. So it kind of just opens up. Boom, super fucking tough. And we'll get to the short second. But he gifted us with a shirt, which I was not expecting. This shit is insane. Kind of like set us up with a whole outfit already. I got something in mind for this, but this shit is hard. Cooked, says Leel's Way on it. I'm definitely gonna wear it, so you'll see it on my Instagram when matter of fact, let me not be lazy. Let me not be lazy for the video. Gift wrapping paper in it. All right, bro, go crazy then. Go crazy then. Oh, and the quality is hard. This is tough. So I didn't even know we had an image on the back right there. That's actually, I'm guessing Leo in the room. If you ever seen Leo's like his background and shit, he always got like his sneaker wall there. My boy got wild sneakers. Like, you think you got sneakers? My boy got sneakers, bro. What you usually say, Leo? You usually say got sneakers that a nigga his age should not have. And that's for sure. He got shit that's older than him probably. I ain't gonna lie. But let's get a nice little look at the shirt. Shit is hard. Shit is tough. You could kind of, fuck around and mix a lot of different like looks and shit with it. So definitely fucking with the shirt, bro. I'm definitely wearing this. 100% wearing this. I'm actually looking forward to wearing this now. This right here, this is what I was really looking forward to. So these are the shorts, right? The shorts have a fucking dope ass image of like a bunch of different sneakers from over the years and shit. So let's get a good view. All right, we got some foams on there, some Jordans. Pretty sure there's some pennies somewhere on there. Bunch of different shit. But gift wrap and paper just falling out. This shit is secured. You heard? This shit is secure. So I respect it. Good packaging, bro. But got the logo right here on the leg, which I like the way this is feeling. I really gotta tap in and see how we gonna get some shorts done. But yeah, bro. Look, actually, this is my favorite. If you ever wanted to know my favorite sneaker of all time, right? My favorite sneaker. If you go back to my high school like images and shit like that, I probably had this shoe about 4 or 5 times throughout my life. But the Pippin ones right there. My favorite Nike of all time. My favorite sneaker of all time. Yo, Leo, good looking for not putting no Adidas on here. Yeah, I already know how I be, man. Fuck Adidas. But let me know how you guys feel about the merch down below. Like I said, I love it. I'm definitely wearing the shirt. The shirt for sure, 100%. But the shorts are gonna get thrown on probably tomorrow, to be honest. We have like an event going on in my neighborhood and shit. So pretty sure I'm backing these out. Probably gonna mix it up with my merch and shit like that. And if you enjoy what I unbox, right? If you're interested in it, I'm gonna leave Leel's information down below in the description. Check him out on Instagram. Tap in with him. Get yourself a shirt. Get yourself some shorts and shit like that. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode, y'all. Be easy. Be easy. Easy.